What's going on, guys? I'm Zach from Oklahoma Joe's, and today I'm very excited to introduce you to one of our brand new products, the Oklahoma Joe's Workstation Prep and Storage Carts. So what we've sought out to do here is really bring you a highly functional product that's really going to build out your outdoor cooking space. I don't know about you guys, but when I'm outside cooking and grilling, smoking, I'm always looking for more shelf space. Somewhere to prep, somewhere to trim up cuts of meat, somewhere to season, throw my trash away, wrap briskets, all the above. And so the Workstation Prep and Storage Cart really delivers on all of that and gives you a mobile kitchen island for your outdoor cooking space. So each of the Workstation models share the same feature set and level of craftsmanship, with the main difference being the overall width. Both of these guys come in at 36 inches tall, which is a standard countertop height. They're 20 inches deep, and where the base model comes in at 30 inches wide, the Deluxe is 45 inches wide. So some of the features I want to hit on are, first and foremost, the work surface. This thing is spacious, and the stainless steel material gives you a large, easy to clean prep surface. This is also great for placing your tabletops, pizza ovens, and other portables that you may have. Also, you have two storage drawers. This is a great place to keep any spices, sauces, lighters, knives, gloves, or any other equipment that you might want to keep dry and really handy. Another really cool thing about these is that they're removable and made out of a durable and dishwasher safe plastic. And so what this means is that you can use them as caddies to and from the kitchen for a bunch of spices and stuff, or you can load them up with wings and burgers at the grill if you're short on containers, and you can just throw them in the dishwasher for easy cleanup. So there's also an internal storage shelf that can be adjusted to two different heights within each storage column. And this is really great. It's easy to remove and adjust, and it requires no hardware. Another great feature is that the included trash bag hanger and paper towel holder can be mounted on either side depending on your space or preferences. So while they stay in place and they won't swing out, you can easily remove them and swap them on either side. So let's say you're putting this in a corner on your deck and you can't have that sticking out, you can just easily put it on the other side. You can also just easily pop these off and store them if you're not using them. So last great feature is your Workstation cart comes with 4 heavy-duty locking casters. Each of these casters swivel 360 degrees for easy and smooth movement, and they have a very durable rubber overmold. And as I mentioned, they lock, so if you want to leave it in place, it's not going to go anywhere. This is very handy if it gets sunny and hot out and you want to move your cart to the shade for some prep work, or you're setting your drinks on it, you can just easily, effortlessly move it around your space. So we really took a lot of extra time when designing this, these Workstation carts, to make sure it was a thoughtfully designed product for you guys. And just a couple of little elements that I wanted to touch on. Assembly is important for you guys. I know when I get a new product, it can be very frustrating. So one thing we wanted to do was, first and foremost, on the vertical panels and the base panel, we went ahead and stamped in the corresponding numbers based on how that orients. So it's really easy out of the box. You just find the one, put it on the one, screw it in. 2, same thing throughout the rest of the cart. Another thing we did was made sure the entire hardware pack runs off the same size screw. So it's a 1/4-20 screw. So you don't have to worry about multiple size, bolts and stuff going into different places. It's all common. So another thing that we've done is we've gone ahead and integrated this with the Built app. And what that is it's a QR code that you scan, it brings you to an app, and it walks you through a set of 3D instructions that are dynamic. So as you go through, it shows you a picture of what you're doing, and it tells you exactly how to assemble those components. So if you're looking for extra workspace at your grill or smoker, you're looking for somewhere to store all your gear and supplies, or you just want some extra space to expand your hosting abilities for your friends and family, the Oklahoma Joe's Workstation Prep and Storage Cart is a great solution. And it's really a product that you're going to appreciate and enjoy.